Imagine a sterile medical exam room. A doctor sits across from a patient, holding a chart. They are about to deliver life-altering news. The doctor explains that a rare disease affects exactly 1% of the population. Scientists have developed a brand new test for it that is 99% accurate. The doctor looks down at the chart. You tested positive. Instinct suggests there is a 99% chance you are sick. But the actual math tells a different story. Your real odds of having the disease are a 50-50 coin toss. This gap in logic stems from context blindness. It is a psychological blind spot that causes human brains to fixate on a single piece of fresh evidence while ignoring the background statistics of the environment. This blind spot leads to agonizing medical misdiagnoses and ruins millions of dollars in research. Without factoring in the broader environment, modern machine learning models simply collapse. Our internal probability engines struggle to process isolated events in a vacuum. Without a way to anchor new information, we are left vulnerable to a constant stream of deceptive false alarms. A 250-year-old logic engine provides a way to update these beliefs with mathematical precision. To see how it works, imagine trying to predict the weather. Before you look at the sky, you need a baseline. On an average day in your city, the normal probability of rain might be exactly 30%. Then you see heavy, dark clouds gathering above. This fresh observation activates the engine's first power. It instantly erases all sunny, clear sky possibilities from the equation. Knowing those clouds exist shrinks your entire sample space. The engine takes a chaotic universe and forces it down to a restricted fraction of reality, looking only at the moments when those specific conditions actually occur. Apply this shrinking process to the medical test. Instead of one panicked individual, zoom out to 10,000 people. We start with baseline reality. With a 1% rate, only 100 are genuinely sick. The test is highly accurate, successfully catching 99 sick individuals, flagging them with a glowing positive result. But we cannot ignore the rest of the board. 9,900 healthy people remain in this matrix. Because of a 1% error rate, the test triggers exactly 99 false positives across the healthy population. Comparing the two groups, you have 99 sick people and 99 healthy people holding identical positive results. You are in a perfectly equal pool. Weighing a fresh observation against the background statistics is the only way to avoid being deceived by an accurate test in a rare environment. This logic scales from a single test to a sea of digital noise, like an inbox flooded with thousands of unread emails. An average spam email contains hundreds of words. Calculating the exact overlapping probability of every word combination would require enough data to crash a modern system. To bypass this, the logic engine uses a shortcut called feature independence. It deliberately ignores how individual words might relate to one another. The system treats every word, like urgent or free, as if it exists in a vacuum. It weighs each one independently to see how often it appears in spam. This intentionally simple assumption makes the mathematics incredibly efficient. It allows complex algorithms to achieve lightning-fast categorization. By combining these powers, an algorithm slices through the chaos of digital noise. It builds a mathematical mountain of evidence in milliseconds. When it identifies a suspicious word, it doesn't react in isolation. It weighs that marker against the historical baseline of your inbox to block false alarms before you ever see them. This logic, Bayes' theorem, is the framework behind modern machine learning. It serves as a mathematical model for how we process new information to refine what we already know. Adopting this framework shifts the focus from reactive guesswork to calculated probability. It reveals the hidden mechanics behind our own thoughts and the machines we build to assist them. In an unpredictable universe, anchoring new evidence to historical baselines provides a path toward understanding the most likely reality.